Hello everyone and welcome to this episode on Wednesday. Silver remained below $78 per ounce after plunging nearly 4% in the previous trading session. Short-term price action has been notably weak, with limited rebound momentum, while overall market sentiment remains cautious. On the fundamental side, the most direct pressure on silver came from a stronger US dollar. U.S. retail sales rose 1.7% in March, beating market expectations and pushing the U.S. dollar index to a one-week high, which in turn weighed on dollar-denominated silver. Developments in the Middle East also added pressure to silver. Although U.S.-Iran negotiations reached an impasse, America later announced an extension of the ceasefire and postponed further military action, significantly easing market expectations of a rapid escalation. Since some investors had already positioned for rising geopolitical risk in the Middle East, the shift from expectations of a hot war to a cold standoff triggered profit-taking in safe haven flows into silver, further deepening the metal's decline. In addition, Federal Reserve nominee Kevin Walsh delivered a strong hawkish message, reinforcing market fears that interest rates could remain higher for longer. As a non-yielding asset, silver becomes less attractive when holding costs rise, which has dampened broader macro allocation demand. From a technical perspective, silver has fallen by around 17% since the conflict began, and has repeatedly faced resistance in the $78 to $80 range, suggesting that overhead selling pressure remains heavy. Whenever prices rebound toward key resistance levels, investors tend to use the opportunity to exit positions, limiting further upside. In the absence of fresh catalysts, short-term bullish sentiment is likely to remain weak. However, from a medium-term perspective, silver is still largely driven by gold. Much of its previous rally was a catch-up move fueled by gold's strength, and the recent pullback has already corrected part of its earlier overvaluation. As long as gold's safe haven appeal remains intact, silver is likely to continue finding support over the medium term. That concludes this episode. See you next time.